Good morning, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about EIGRP summarization. What is the summarization and how can we use it? Route summarization or aggregation is a method to minimize the number of records in our routing table. Imagine that on R1, we have 4 routes in the routing table for different networks. By default, R1 would send all the 4 routes to R2, but as R1 is the next hub for all these networks from R2's point of view, we can make a summary address for these 4 routes and pass that one to R2. In that case, whenever R2 needs to send a packet to any IP within that network, it can use that single route to forward the traffic. To create a summary address, we need to find out the common bits in the address and change the subnet mask accordingly. In this example on the screen, the first 2 octets plus the first 6 bits of the third octet are the same in all the addresses. So we can use /22 to cover them all. There are 2 methods to summarize the addresses in EIGRP. Auto, which is disabled by default in the new iOS nowadays, and manual, which can be configured in Classic and Named modes with the commands on the screen. So let's jump on the router and see how we can configure this. Alright, as you can see on this scenario, R9 has 4 different loopbacks with the showing IP address on the screen. Show IP interface brief. These are the loopback address that we are talking about. And if we check the EIGRP configuration, show run section router, you can see that these IP addresses are getting advertised with a classic EIGRP configuration. And if we jump on R7 and check the show IP route EIGRP, you can see that R7 is receiving all of these addresses individually, like 99, 199, so on and so forth. So if we want to make a change that R7 receive only one summary address for these 4 addresses, we need to go onto R9. And because R9 is configured with classic EIGRP, we need to use the link level command to summarize the addresses. conft interface Ethernet 00, and the link between 9 and 7 is 79. Then after that we need to type IP summary address EIGRP, the AS number is 79, and the summary address is going to be 29000/18 in this case. After hitting the enter, we will see that the neighborship is getting everything in here. And if we go back to R7, we see that the neighborship has been gracefully restarted. Checking the same command, and now instead of receiving 4 different addresses, we can see that we are receiving the 29000/18. It's coming from the same address, same as before, but instead of 4 addresses, we're only getting 1. Okay, that was the easy configuration for classic mode. So let's imagine that there's a named mode configuration between R7 and R3, and also R7 has 4 different loopbacks with the showing IP address in here. You can check that, show IP interface brief, and we can see that these are the loopback that we are referring to. So let's check the show run section router on R7. There's a name mode configuration for EIGRP between 7, 3, and 6 with that AS number, and these are the loopbacks that are getting advertised. Based on that, if we check R6, show IP route EIGRP, we can see that these addresses are getting to R6 individually. They're coming from 67.7 and 4 different traces for it. So to do the IP route summarization, jump on R7 again, and as I mentioned before, the summarization or named mode, it needs to be under the AF interface. Conf T, we can copy and paste this part. Okay, now going under the AF interface, Ethernet 0.0.67, and the command is summary address and 27000/18 in this case. Same as before, the neighborship is getting resync, going on R6, here graceful restart. You can double check the IP route again, and it's in here. Instead of getting 4 different addresses, we are receiving only 1 summary address from the same advertiser in here. Okay, that was a quick video showing you how the IP route summarization works on EIGRP in 2 different modes, classic mode and name mode. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.